Hey guys, welcome to my home. This is Food by Faith. And as you can see, I am outside. The sun is shining today. I should have clear skies here for the next 3 days here in Georgia Zone 8A. And you guys know that I've been doing my garden and back porch reno. So as you can see, I have almost everything off of the back porch. So now I'm going to take the patio furniture off of the back porch, spray it off, blow it off with my blower, sweep as much as I can off, line it with some plastic, and we are going to get this new paint job going. So hang around, stick around, join in on the reno. It's gonna be good. So, oh, the camera about to fall. The wind is blowing really hard. I thought I was going to need help getting everything off of the back porch, but I was able to get it all off myself. And now it's time to get painting. I'll bring you back in just a few minutes. So here I am painting the back porch using the roller, as well as I did use the paint sprayer that my mom brought over, but I had to stop using it because the paint was too thick. And so far things are going really well. Using the roller has been pretty good. I did still use the paint sprayer in smaller areas. All right, family, so we are back for day 2 of the painting, but this is day 3 of me showing you the renovation. So I want to show you how far I got yesterday and then what I am going to do today. It is still an absolute mess behind me because, as you can see, I have everything kind of put outside of the back porch, and I'm going to organize everything. So there will be some things that will come back on the porch and some things that will not come back on the porch. I have my lawn furniture out there on the lawn. And there's just a few things that I actually have to do, but again, I'm going to show you exactly what I got done yesterday and what I'm going to do today. I'm on a time crunch really because I want to get it all done by tomorrow, because on Thursday it's looking like we're supposed to get some rain here in Georgia. So I want to get it all done so that it can be dry and I can bring things back on the back porch that need to come back up here, because my covers have not come in the mail yet, and it is stating that they won't make it until Monday. So if it's gonna rain tomorrow, I really want to get things back up here. I do have a tarp, but the tarp that I have is covering some wood. But if worse comes to worse, I will remove that tarp from over the wood and put it over my lawn furniture instead, because again, I can deal with the wood and have it dry out later, but I don't want my lawn furniture getting rusted or anything getting messed up. So let's get into it so you can see what I have going on. So as you can see, this is what I have going on right now. And remember how green it was? Well, this is the new color. But what I had to do was go in and begin to put down painter's tape, because when I got over here, I realized that I was using the roller and I was getting paint on the base of the board. And in this area, I really don't want paint down there. I mean, it's not a big deal, but I don't want to have to go through and paint the entire thing. So I went ahead and put the painter's tape down around, and then when it came around here, I put some bags and painter's tape down. So what I'm going to do is come back through today with a paintbrush and do the bottom areas right there. So it's not a lot that has to be done, but I am going to do those bottom areas and get that done. I even came out here with the paint, but I also want to kind of get into some of these little areas just to give it a touch up. Again, I'm not a professional painter and I'm not painting the inside of my house. This is the outside, so it's a big deal, but not a big deal. But I just wanted to bring you along so that you can see how far I've gotten. and what I have going on. As you can see over there, I did put up those 2 trellis. I am going to get the pots that are supposed to go with those trellis, so that the end of next month, maybe the beginning of April, because I really want to make sure that we are done with the last frost. I'm going to plant the butterfly peas over there, but everything is starting, it is starting to come together. It's starting to look good. So I'm just super excited for how it's all going to turn out, and I'm just really excited that I was able to do this. So all right, guys, this is day 3. I will bring you guys back when I get a little bit more done. All right, remember, get up, get out, and grow something, and have faith in our food.